Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing you guys my CVS haul, which actually went by pretty good. I got a couple of things that I haven't gotten before. I was excited to check out some of the summer toys and stuff. A lot of their summer stuff is going 75% off, so I was pretty excited to share with you guys on that, which I'm actually going to show you guys right now. So the thing that I got right now is I got the Paw Patrol. Now it's like a Jenga game. Now they had these for $1.49, originally like $7.99 I think. I did not take pictures of these, but I thought these would be great gifts to give to kids who need stuff. We have a birthday party we're going to next month, and the kid's birthday that we're going to is obsessed with Paw Patrol. So I thought, you know what, he's turning 4. I thought these would be a great thing for him and his brother to play with. So I couldn't pass it up. And then another one I'm just going to donate to give to somebody, or I might even give it to Ben for the future. But I thought for $1.49, I think that is a great deal. They had Play-Doh marked down to 42 cents. Now this is just the packaging, which I actually like. I feel like there's more Play-Doh in here than the whole like bucket. It is a reusable bag, so 42 cents, and there's a cutter in here. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. These were originally $1.69, so can't go wrong with Play-Doh. We just love Play-Doh. And then the last item they had that was marked down. Now they had a ton of other stuff, but it wasn't cheap enough for me, or it's just something I didn't need. But I ended up getting this PJ Masks puzzle. The kid that we are going to the birthday party next month, he is obsessed with PJ Masks. So I thought this would be a cute thing. It is a puzzle. It might be a little too young for him, but I thought the tote or the lunchbox alone would be super cute, so he could store his toys and stuff in it. So I thought I'm definitely going to get him that because he'll just love that. So that was the stuff that I got that was 75% off. And now I'm going to share with you guys what I got at CVS. So I ended up getting soft soap for both of my cards because I like soap. So I ended up getting both of these. So these were $1.99. You guys use that dollar off coupon that we got from the red machine. You guys would just get these for just 99 cents. So I ended up getting jasmine and mint, and the other one was wild basil and lime. So got some new flavors to try with hand soap. I did the Gillette razor deal. Now these were $8.99. I used 2 of those $3 off coupons that we got from the September P&G. You guys would just pay $11.98 for these, but then you guys will get $8 back in an ECB, making it just $3.98 or $1.99. So if you guys don't have any personal CRTs. Now I did have a personal CRT for the Gillette, but my CRT was not working. They didn't want to override it. I'm like, that's fine, just take it off. So I was going to do the CRT Gillette deal, but didn't want to work out my favor. So I'm like, whatever, not a big deal. So I got that. I ended up getting the Schick razors. Now these were $9.99. It was buy one get one 50% off. If you guys spent over $15, you guys would have gotten a $5 ECB. So there's those 7 off of 2 coupons that are on coupons.com. Plus I had a 3 off of 12 Schick. So I paid $4.98 for both of these. But then you guys will get a $5 ECB back, making them absolutely free. And I had those on both cards, so I didn't want to pass that deal up. So I ended up getting all 4 of those to share with you guys. The next deal I did was the Hershey Gold. Now I have 2 situations with these. So these were $2.99. We had those $1.50 off coupons that you guys can use. You guys would end up getting a $1 off coupon from the red machine. And you guys would get this for 49 cents. But then you guys will also get a $1 ECB, making it a 51-cent moneymaker. So one of my cards actually got a $1 red CRT. So it ended up becoming a 51-cent money maker. If you guys don't get that CRT, you guys just use that $1.50 off coupon from coupons.com. You guys would just pay $1.49, but then you guys will get that $1 ECB back, making it just 49 cents. So I did one deal one way and I did the other deal the other way. So bringing those to work. A lot of the guys love it when I bring candy to work. I did the Mitchum deodorant deal. Now these were, why didn't I write this price down? I'm sorry, I didn't even write this price down. These were $4.39, I think. It was buy one, get one 50% off. I'll do the math when I do the breakdowns for you guys. But I ended up using 3 $1 off coupons. I also had a 2 off of 2 Mitchum, and then I also had a $1 off regular deodorant. So, and then you guys will get $5 ECB back. So I didn't write the math down on this, so definitely want to check out that when I do write the math down. I ended up getting the physician's formula. Now I ended up getting some personal CRTs and it wouldn't let me do it in a transaction. I had to like separate them, which was weird. But these each were $15.29. I used for both of these, I used that 2 off of 12 CRT. You guys would pay $13.29, but then you guys will get that $3 or $10 ECB back, making it $3.29. Again, not the greatest deal, but if you guys really, you know, want to use some of those CRTs, because if you don't use some of those CRTs that you get, you lose them. You lose them. So try to use them, you know, and I even though I buy makeup all the time. So definitely wanted to share with you guys with those. Sorry, my cat's like walking underneath me and I can't stop petting her. She's just so addicted. Yes, she is. Okay, so the next deal I did was the P&G deal. Now, I only did the P&G deal on one card. So I ended up buying this big bottle of Dawn dish soap. This was $4.99. I used a $1.50 off coupon from the September P&G, and there was a $1.50 off app coupon that I used. I bought the Swiffer. Now there's probably coupons for it, but I didn't have the coupons on me. So this was just $4.99, but there is a $1 coupon on your app that you guys can get off of that. The Tide Pods were $4.94. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon from the September P&G. And then you guys want to do the Febreze deal. So the Febreze was 2 for $6. We have the buy one get one free coupon, plus there is a 3 off of 2 coupon in the app. So we got that. So there was 5 items that we got together. So the Febreze, the Swiffer, the giant bottle of soap, and then the Tide. So all together those came to $8.96 for that stuff after the coupons and the digital coupons. You end up paying $5, or you end up getting a $5 ECB. So the final price for everything comes out to be $3.94, or just 78 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. Like, how often can you get a giant bottle of soap for 78 cents? Husband's like, I really like this. We should get more Dawn. I'm like, Graham, I get Dawn all the time. I have Dawn. Yeah, I don't know what he was thinking. So, so definitely got that deal. And then with my other card, I still wanted to do the Febreze deal, so I ended up doing the buy one or 2 for $6. I used that buy one get one free coupon, plus there was that 3 off of 2 coupon. So I got these absolutely free. I love getting Febreze for free, so I got that. Now I also had a couple CRTs that I did not want to go to waste, so I ended up getting the Reese's Pieces. Now these were $3.79. I had a $2 off CRT that I got for like any Reese's or whatever. And then I also had $1 off CRT for, okay, so the $2 off was like Hershey's, Reese's, blah, blah, blah. And then the $1 off was like a personal CRT for like Reese's, Minis, blah, blah, blah. So what you guys would do is after you use those 2 CRTs, you guys would get this bag for just 79 cents. So I love Reese's Pieces. This is something I love to snack on. So 79 cents is a pretty good deal. And then while I was shopping in the store, I was going to do the Hershey Crunch, but she ended up recommending the Hershey Waffles, which the coupon still worked, but this is strawberry wafer. So why did I say waffle? Waffle. It's waffle. So again, these were $3.79. I had that $2 off like Hershey coupon that printed off in today's CRT. And then I had $1 off of 3 Hershey Crunch. So I ended up getting this again for just 79 cents. So I'm pretty excited for this new flavor, strawberry, and it's waffle cones. So that sounds delicious. So pretty excited about that. But yes, that was my CVS haul. I think I did pretty good. I had a couple problems at the register. We had to void something out and redo it. But I don't know. Some days it's like super easy peasy and some days it's not. Some of my CRTs work on one transaction and some of them don't, even though I'm using the same CRTs and the same product. I don't know what's going on. But with my old card, I ended up getting 13 cents. I paid 13 cents for everything. I ended up using $41 of ECBs back, but I ended up receiving $29 back. So I did take a loss. It's not a big deal, but everything came to $12.13, but I technically only paid 13 cents. So I'm like really loving that. My card with number 1 transaction came to 17 cents. I used $9 worth of ECBs, but I ended up receiving $11 back. That made it to be a $1.83 moneymaker. My second transaction was just a Physicians Formula, one of those. It came to 29 cents. I used $13 worth of ECBs, but then I received 10 back, so that came to $3.29. If you guys add all 3 transactions, I ended up paying $13.59 for 28 items. That comes out to be just 48 cents a piece. Now, please keep in mind with my older card, the one where I had to pay $12.13, that it did include the 75% toys that I bought too. So usually you don't get money back with that, but I'm fine. I'm fine. I technically paid under $1 for all that stuff. Physically paid $1. I think that is a great deal. If you guys love these CVS hauls, please give this video a thumbs up so I can share with you guys on more deals. Just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all again next week for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.